Welcome to my channel. Hello, beauties. Today, we're uncovering the secret to brighter, firmer eyes with Neo Cutis Lumiere Firm Riche. This luxurious eye cream deeply hydrates, tightens, and illuminates, helping you say goodbye to fine lines and tired-looking eyes. Let's dive in. Neo Cutis Lumiere Firm Riche, extra moisturizing, illuminating, and tightening eye cream. Neo Cutis Lumiere Firm Riche is an advanced eye cream designed to rejuvenate the delicate skin around your eyes. Formulated with powerful peptides, growth factors, and hydration-boosting ingredients, this cream helps restore collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid for brighter, firmer, and younger-looking eyes. Its rich, nourishing texture deeply penetrates the skin to deliver essential nutrients, supporting skin elasticity and minimizing signs of aging caused by daily stress, environmental factors, and natural aging. Ideal for all skin types, this eye cream addresses multiple eye area concerns, from fine lines and crow's feet to dark circles and puffiness, providing a comprehensive solution for visibly refreshed and revitalized eyes. Benefits: Neo Cutis Lumiere Firm Riche offers a range of benefits for the delicate eye area. Reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Peptides and growth factors work together to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes, smoothing the skin for a more youthful appearance. Brightens under eye darkness. The formula helps improve circulation and enhances skin radiance, reducing the look of under eye darkness and promoting a well-rested, luminous appearance. Minimizes crow's feet. Targeted ingredients support collagen and elastin production, helping to reduce the visibility of crow's feet and expression lines. Deep hydration. Rich in hyaluronic acid, this eye cream provides long-lasting moisture, keeping the delicate under-eye skin soft, supple, and resilient. Fast, visible results. With regular use, many users report noticeable improvement in under-eye firmness, brightness, and smoothness in as little as 14 days. Suggested use. To maximize results, apply Neo Cutis Lumiere Firm Riche twice daily, morning and evening, on clean, dry skin. Use your ring finger to gently tap a small amount of cream along the orbital bone, from the inner to outer corners of the eye. Avoid direct contact with the eyes. Focus on areas prone to fine lines, crow's feet, and dark circles. Its nourishing, non-greasy texture absorbs quickly, allowing for seamless layering under makeup or other skincare products. For best results, follow with a moisturizer suitable for your skin type. Why choose Neo Cutis Lumiere Firm Riche? This eye cream combines science-backed ingredients and advanced skin repair technologies to target the root causes of aging around the eyes. By restoring collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid, it strengthens the skin barrier, promotes elasticity, and maintains optimal hydration. The luxurious texture and potent formulation make it a must-have for anyone looking to combat early signs of aging, improve skin firmness, and achieve a brighter, more youthful gaze. Trusted by skincare professionals, Neo Cutis Lumiere Firm Riche is the ultimate solution for a radiant and revitalized eye area. Neo Cutis Lumiere Firm Riche, extra moisturizing, illuminating, and tightening eye cream, is your go-to solution for combating under-eye concerns. With its advanced peptide-rich formula, it visibly reduces fine lines, wrinkles, crow's feet, and darkness while deeply hydrating and restoring skin firmness. Suitable for all skin types, this luxurious eye cream delivers noticeable results, leaving eyes looking refreshed, youthful, and radiant in just 14 days. To buy this product, go to check link in the description box. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching.